Hello everyone, this is Aditya and today we're going to solve MIT entrance examination problems from 1869 and we'll be solving the algebra portion. So let's start with the video. But before that, please do like, share, subscribe my channel and please support the video. Now let's start. So as the first question you all can see, it is given that E is equal to 8 and we have to simplify this expression. So E minus this quantity, E plus 1 plus 2 plus E minus cube root of E times the expression E minus 4. So let's solve this expression. And notice one thing that these problems are like very simple as compared to the modern day papers because it is from 1869. So notice the year also. So now let's see this. So let's substitute the value. So E is 8. So we substituted 8 over here minus the quantity. What is E plus 1? That is 8 plus 1 is 9. So 9 square root is 3. 3 plus 2 plus the quantity 8 minus the cube root of 8 is 2 times the square root of 8 minus 4 is equal to square root of 4, that is 2, right? So we get 8 minus 5 plus 6 times 2. So which is equal to 3 plus 12 which is equal to 50. So this is the answer of first question, right? Okay, so now let's see the second one. Now let's see the question number 2. It is a very simple question. In this we have to simplify this expression, that is 3a minus b plus 2a minus b minus the quantity a minus b. This is the expression which we are given. So let's solve this. So it is again a very simple problem. So we have 3a minus b plus 2a minus b minus a plus b, right? Just open the brackets, so you will get b and b will get cancelled and this will become a plus b, right? Which is equal to, now we will again open the brackets, so we will have 3a minus b which is equal to 2a minus b, and that's the answer of this problem, right? Very simple, right? Okay, so now let's move to the next problem. So in question number 3 it states that we have to take the product of these two algebraic terms and then we have to divide by a plus b. So okay, so we have to basically do this expression, is 3a square plus ab minus b square times a square minus 2ab minus 3b square divided by a plus b, right? Okay, well, so what we can do? Well, one method is that you can just multiply all the expressions and then you will get some expression of fourth power and then you will divide it by a plus b using the long division method and then you will get some question and that will be your answer, right? But what I am going to do is that I can see that this expression is factorizable, so I will factorize it. How? Let me tell you. A square minus 2ab minus 3b square. So I can factorize this expression. Well, if you don't know how to factorize this, so I will tell you a basic method using which you can easily factorize this. So what you can do is that just bring b square as common in this, okay? A square by b square minus 2 a by b minus 3, right? This is the expression which you will get. So now just say a by b is equal to x. Let's just assume. So we have b square times x square minus 2x minus 3. Now it is a simple quadratic. Now you can easily just simplify this expression. Just factorize this expression, I mean. So you'll get b square times x square plus this will become minus 3 plus 1 x minus 3. Correct? Right? So you have b square times the quantity x square minus plus x minus 3x minus 3, right? Correct? So you will get over here b square times x into x plus 1 minus 3 times x plus 1, correct? Okay, so you will have b square into you will have x minus 3 into x plus 1, right? So we can just bring it back over here. So we will get this expression is basically equal to b square times, what is x? X is equal to a by b. So a by b minus 3 times a by b plus 1, correct? Okay, so just simplify this expression. You will get a minus 3b into a plus b, right? And b square will get cancelled to b and b over here. Okay, now notice that this a plus b and this a plus b will get cancelled, right? So we can just say that it is equal to 3a square plus ab minus b square times the quantity a minus 3b times a plus b divided by a plus b, and now you can just cancel it. And what will the final result which you will get? Well, let me erase this. So this expression will become 3a square plus ab minus b square times the quantity a minus 3b, and now we have to just multiply it. You will get we will get 3a cube plus a square b minus ab square minus 9a square b minus 3ab square minus 3b cube, right? This expression. So 3a cube a square b, and this a square b, it will become minus 8a square b, and minus ab square minus this will become minus 4ab square, right? So we have this and this expression, this and this expression, right? So we have this minus 3b cube. So this is the final expression which you will get, right, after dividing it by a plus b, right? So there were two methods actually. You could have just multiplied and then use the long division method to get this answer, or you could have just factorized it and got this answer again, right? Understood? Okay, now let's move to the next question. Now let's see the question number 4. So it states x to the power 6 plus a square x cube y divided by x to the power 6 minus a to the power 4 y square. We have to simplify this expression. So how can you simplify it? Well, now what approach can you apply over here? Because it seems like here we have something a square minus b square, something like that. So I can do something over here, but I have over here x cube term in the numerator. So what will I do of it? Well, I can take x cube as common in numerator. So what I will get? X cube times x cube plus a square y divided by the quantity x to the power 6 minus a 4 y square, right? So this is equal to x cube times the quantity x cube plus a square y divided by the expression x to the power 3 whole square minus a square y whole square, which is equal to x cube into x cube plus a square y. And now just apply a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So we are just applying this property, this identity I mean. So we will get x cube plus a square y into x cube minus a square y. So this and this will get cancelled, right? So it is equal to x cube by x square minus a square y, and that's the result. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Yeah, one more thing, here it should have been x cube, right? Now let's move to the next question. Now let's see the question number 5. So it states that we have to simplify this expression a plus b divided by a minus b plus a minus b divided by a plus b, right? This expression divided by a plus b, a minus b minus a minus b, a plus b, right? This expression. So let's solve it, right? So just cross multiply. So you will have a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square a plus b into a minus b, right? I feel that you know what I have done over here. It is basically if a by b plus c by d is there, then it is equal to ad plus bc divided by bd, right? I'm sure you know this, right? So that is what I have applied over here. Divided by, similarly over here also, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square divided by a plus b into a minus b. Correct? Okay. So now just open this. We all know that a plus minus b whole square is equal to a plus minus a square plus minus 2ab plus b square, right? We all know this expression. So we are getting over here a square plus 2ab plus b square plus, now this expression a square minus 2ab plus b square, correct, divided by what is this? This is a square minus b square divided by the expression, or you can just now multiply this and just reciprocate. So you will have a square minus b square divided by the quantity a square plus 2ab plus b square. This will become like this, yeah, minus a square minus 2ab plus b square, correct? Okay, so now this and this will get cancelled, right? Okay, so we are left with 2 times a square plus b square. Notice that 2ab and 2ab will get cancelled, and a square will become 2a square, and b square plus b square become 2b square. So I took 2s common, right? multiplied by 1 upon a square, and a square will get cancelled, b square and b square will get cancelled, and 2ab plus 2ab, it will become 4ab. So we will be left with 1 by 2 a square plus b square by ab. That's the final answer in this case. So after simplifying, we are getting this as the answer. Now let's move to the next problem. Now let's see the sixth question. It is just 3x minus 2 minus 4 by 2 minus 6x minus 5 by 8 is 3x minus 1 by 16. So we have to solve for x, of course. So what we will get? Well, let's see it. So again, just cross multiply, you will get 3x minus 4 times 8 minus 2 times 6x minus 5 divided by 2 into 8 is equal to 3x minus 1 by 16. So 2 into 8 is 16, so 16 and 16 gets cancelled. So we are left with 24x minus 32 minus 12x plus 10 is equal to 3x minus 1, correct? So we will be left with 12x minus 22 is equal to 3x minus 1, right? So we have 9x is equal to 21. So we will be getting x is equal to 21 by 9, which is equal to 7 by 3. So x is equal to 7 by 3. X is equal to 7 by 3. If you want to verify, just substitute it back. So let me tell you that also. If you substitute back in the equation, you will get 3 into 7 by 3 minus 4 by 2 minus 6 into 7 by 3 minus 5 by 8, right? So we'll be left with this and this get cancelled. So we have 7 minus 4 divided by 2 minus the quantity, this will get cancelled. So we'll be left with 14 minus 5 by 8, correct? So this is equal to 3 by 2 minus 9 by 8, right? So it becomes 24 minus 18 divided by 16, which is equal to, what is 24 minus 18? It is equal to 6 by 16, which is equal to 3 by 8. So 3 by 8, it should come from RHS. So let me check that also. So 3 times 7 by 3 minus 1 by 16, it will be equal to 6 by 16, which is equal to 3 by 8, right? Correct. So basically what I've done is that I solved for x in this given problem, and then to check that whether this x is correct or not, I've substituted back into the equation, and I got that LHS value is equal to 3 by 8 and the RHS value is also 3 by 8. Since LHS is equal to RHS, your favorite statement, hence the solution we obtained is correct, right? So now let's move to the last question of the video of this paper, actually algebra section. So let's see that also. So it is a simultaneous equation. 7x minus 5y is equal to 24 and 4x minus 3y is equal to 11. Now there are multiple methods which you can use. So I'll be using a very simple method. I will just solve for one variable and then substitute it back. Okay. So from this I can say that 4x is equal to 11 plus 3y, right? Hence x is equal to 11 plus 3y by 4, right? Just substitute it back over here. So you will get 7 times 11 plus 3y by 4 minus 5y is equal to 24, right? So just multiply by 4. So it will become 77 plus 21y minus 20y is equal to 24 times 4, right? So it will become 77 plus y is equal to 96, right? So we will get y is equal to what? Y is equal to, from this, 96 minus 77, which is equal to 19. So y is equal to 19, correct? So we will get x is equal to 11 plus 3 times 19 by 4, which is equal to 11 plus 57 by 4, which is equal to 68 by 4, which is equal to this will become 34, this will become 17. So 17. So x is equal to 17 and y is equal to 19. If you want to check, just substitute back into these two equations. So let's substitute it. So we'll get 7 into 17 minus 5 into 19. So what is 7 times 17? It will become 9. 1 carry it will be, and it will 119 minus 95. So what is this expression? This is equal to 24. Correct. Now let's substitute it over here. So we will have 4 times 17 minus 3 times 19. So which is equal to 68 minus 57 What is 68 minus 57? It is equal to 11. Hence, x equal to 7 and y is equal to 19 is the correct solution. So basically what I've done is that I've just solved for one variable, then substituted back into the next equation. So from that I solved for y and got the value of y as 19. Then I had this relation between x and y, and I substituted that value of y which I obtained into this equation. So I obtained the value of x. So I got x equal to 17 and y is equal to 19. Then I substituted these values into the given equation so that I can verify whether the answer is correct or not. So after verifying, the answer came out to be correct because LHS was equal to RHS, again your favorite statement. So after that, all the solutions are clear, and it was just a glimpse of the questions which were in this paper, because it is just very basic question. You all also know how to solve all this, but to just give you all a glimpse of this paper, I thought to discuss it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please do like, share, subscribe my channel, and be support video. Bye bye, take care.